Hey guys, you may have noticed that we have no new videos coming out this week because we worked really hard last week during our 7-day challenge. If you haven't yet started the challenge, all those videos are posted online for you and you can start them anytime and do them 7 days in a row. I hope you enjoy this video, which is just a few funny moments from our practice and filming times together. I seem to have a lot. This way. Hello everyone. So stay tuned and we will go from there. Ugh. Does this look like a mess? I know. I think there's bugs. Let's yoga. I was gonna say good morning. What am I doing? Should I really?
Go for it.
No, I can't.
Just do.
Nah, I get. Is it on? Okay. I can't wait to help you have the strongest core ever. Yeah. Ready? Okay.